I got these Active brand appliance seal and surface wipes. They get 24 wipes in a container. I just used it to clean out that rubber seal on my washing machine. And then I see all this crud on the front glass portion here. This is good not only for the seals, any rubber seal on like a dishwasher, a freezer, refrigerator, the washing machines, of course. But you can also use it on surfaces as well. So I'm going to use it to clean this whole glass surface here. You can see all that. I don't know what that crud is building up on there, but let's see. This has got some cleaning solution in here that's really just makes it vanish. So I'm pretty impressed with how it's worked just with one swipe. So you can see that I'm taking away all that buildup. And these wipes are great for the outside of the appliances and on those seals on the inside as well. You don't want to flush them down the toilet. They are strong. I mean, they're not going to fall apart on you. You can pull on them. They're like a terry cloth feel to it. So they're going to last you. You're going to be able to clean a lot with it before you throw it out. But you do want to throw it out and not throw it into the septic system or into the sewer system because it's not going to do well there. It's not going to dissolve like a toilet paper would. But it's definitely not toilet paper. It's strong, and you're going to be able to use it for quite a while before you have to toss one. It's got a cleaning solution really baked right into that package. And so if you just seal the package up, then it'll hold it and it'll stay for the later use. So there you go. So I got all that grime out of there. These things work really well. I definitely recommend. Hope that helps. Have a great day.